Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this video about Parnazi. The entry that I posted. First of all, this is a weekly chart I sent out in the zip folder yesterday or today, early yesterday, I guess, right? See Parnazi weekly chart made on March 4th, right? This was the number here. See the 7793 I wrote down here. The 7793 is the key number. Means just to watch that number, if the price start to move above it, then we will go to the next levels. Maybe here, the next would be most likely 7993. And if we stay below and then start dropping, then we'll be dropping to 7650, right? That's what it is. So what happened is that I posted the long entry on the Telegram. Let me show you here. See this Telegram? So GA making long. All right. So why? Because this thing was making a long entry right here, right? So this is a long entry, right? And I took it on the other computer is running right now, and I'm sitting on a break even. So right after a couple of candles, I made it. And then notice that it bounced exactly. It broke above this 7793. Came down as a support, found the number as a support, and went up. Next number is 7887, and then you have an R3 here around 79. Right now, the game is to find out if how long can we hold this. Right, the day started here. See this white dotted line? The day started here. Okay, so from here to wherever it's whatever the daily ranges. What is the daily ranges? Average 60-day range is 153. So let's measure the daily range from the bottom here to the top where it comes right here, right? It comes at 79.19. Now this daily R3 is 78.99 or 79. So 79.19, 20 pip, what the hell with that? So let's say this is a strong resistance all the time, right? So my entry is right here. So let's say if I measure from here to the R3 would be 81 pip. So 80 pip, let's say, right? So how about that? 80 pip on Monday, not a bad idea, right? My UJ just got knocked out around 16, 17 pip. So that's fine. And I had the idea that, remember, I told you in the previous video that it's risky, but I took the risk. But, the yen started getting weaker, and then all yen pairs going up. So I'm looking for the long there as well. Now, this one, 80 pip, I'm going to be closing here if I find my target. That would be my target. So this is how you measure, you set up, you'll take the setup, right? Make sure that you draw these numbers, horizontal lines, these numbers on the chart, and watch them, especially in the volume time, right? It's 5 a.m. right now. So this is London Open at 3 o'clock. So we are already 2 hours in London session. Volume time. So you get the setup, you open the entry, you make the entry, you open the trade, and then wait until it goes a little bit more, like 20, 30 pip in your direction, and you come and sit and break even, and then start doing the measurements of about the daily range and how far your entry is and how far you can go with that. All right. So this is how I show you that my entry to this is 80 pip, and it will be doing, it's a little less than the daily range. Daily range is one here, so that would be like 79.20, right? 79.20. So instead of try to go exactly to the pip, what if it makes the turn, right? So a little bit below or before the daily range is much better. So I'm going to take close the trade here for 80 pip. That's, I'm happy with that. Maybe, day after tomorrow, or tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or maybe, I'll get a big one for 200, 150 pip. Yeah, maybe, right? You get all the time, pound, yen, and this and that. But for now, I would target 80 pip and get out. So this is what I wanted to show, that make the entry. Don't worry about the one that goes bad. No problem. 15 pip, 10 pip here, there. That happened. That's like a cost of running a business, right? We have a restaurant, but at the end of the day, you have $5,000 sale, but you cannot go and spend all that $5,000 because you have to pay the rent money from there. You have, electric bill and paycheck, and this and that, all of it, right? So maybe out of the 5,000, you might have the, clear profit is only 1,000. 4,000 goes back in, the business. So this is how it is. Your small SL hit is like the expenditure of running the business. Okay, so here, this is how it is. I just wanted to show you guys, teach you guys that what it is, but not. So that's it. All right, so I'm gonna convert the recording and send out. And let's see if I get my target. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.